Nestled into the heart of Northern California wine country, this captivating new addition to the landscape by esteemed San Francisco architectural firm, Malcolm Davis Architecture, MDA, is a testament to modern architecture's ability to blend harmoniously with nature. MDA's architectural design drew inspiration from the region's rustic barns while incorporating modern detailing to ensure that the new structure harmonizes with its surroundings. To fully integrate the structure into the existing property and estate, MDA worked alongside the landscape design team, Lucas and Lucas, to knit the building, which features a guest suite, covered parking, and an outdoor kitchen and living space, into the lush surroundings. The result is a design that unites the existing house and pool with the new barn, resulting in a cohesive wine country complex defined by exquisite landscaping and purposeful sight lines. MDA's design strategy incorporated locally harvested redwood siding, paying homage to the region's mill town history. A harmonious blend of timber, shapes, and volumes further speaks to the local vernacular and seamlessly fits within the picturesque environment. From a sustainability perspective, the team utilized timeless passive techniques that emphasize the use of natural elements for comfort and minimized mechanical and electrical interventions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.